friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 2, that is fractions and decimals. I have taken worksheet number 18 of your book NCERT workbook, worksheet number 18. Today my topic is multiplication of decimals. In my previous video I have taught you multiplication and division of decimals. So today I am going to solve some of the questions given in worksheet number 18. So let's start today. As I have taught you earlier, while doing multiplication, we count the number of digits starting from the rightmost digit and moved towards left. Then we put the decimal point there. The number of digits to be counted is obtained by adding the number of digits to the right of the decimal point in the decimal numbers that are being multiplied. When you are given a decimal number and you are asked to multiply that number, decimal number, by 10, by 100 or by 1000, then this decimal point moves to the right, and after decimal the digit, if you are multiplying by 10, there is 10. So after decimal, this 3 which is at 10th place will be shifted at 1st place and the decimal will move towards the right, leaving 1 digit. Okay, I think you have watched my previous videos based on this multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. When a decimal number is multiplied by 10, 100 or 1000, the digits in the product are same as in the decimal number, but the decimal point in the product is shifted to the right by as many of places as there are zeros over 1. So if here the decimal number is 128.34 multiplied by 10. So this decimal will be shifted to the right and this first digit after decimal will be shifted to the here at 1 place, and the number will be here 1283 1283.4. Okay, then when you are going to multiply a decimal number by 1000, then there are 3 zeros, 1 2 3 zeros, but here after decimal how many digits are there? 1 2, and we will put 1 0 from our side and to make 3 digits after decimal. So this decimal will move towards right side, leaving 3 digits after decimal. So it will become 9 8. So there were 2 digits only, and we will put 1 0 from our side, and the number will become 9860. Okay, we can take one more example of multiplication of decimal by 100. 3.57. You can take other example here. 352.4. 352.4 multiplied by 100. So there are 2 zeros and this decimal will move towards right side, leaving how many digits? 2 digits. So here after decimal there is only 1 digit, 4. We will put 1 0 from our side to make 2 digits. So it will become 35,240. Then there is product of decimal numbers by decimal numbers. Product of decimal number by decimal number. Here, first of all, I have taught in my previous video, when decimal numbers are there, you will just ignore the decimal point, okay, and write the number as whole number. Here And now this 0, 0, 3 will become only 3 here and multiply it by 3. 3 5s are 15, 1 carry, 3 zeros are 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 3 ones are 3. So, after decimal, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total how many digits are there? 4. So, here in answer 1, 2, 3 and you will put 1 0 from your side and it will become put decimal from your here, right? You will leave 1, 2, 3, 4 digit and put decimal. Okay? And answer of this will become 0.0315. Okay? If digits are less, you will put 1 0 from your side. Because after decimal, there are how many digits in both of the decimal number? 1, 2, 3, 4. ठीक है कि डेसिमल जो नंबर आपको दिया हुआ है उसमें आपने क्या करना है कि पॉइंट के बाद वाले डिजिट्स गिन लेंगे दोनों नंबर्स में कितने हैं टोटल 1 2 3 4 तो जब आंसर में आप क्या करेंगे व्हेन यू विल गेट द आंसर फ्रॉम योर राइट यू विल लीव 4 डिजिट्स एंड पुट डेसिमल 1 2 3 4 लीव 4 डिजिट्स एंड put decimal. In this way, you will be able to find the product of a decimal number by a decimal number. Then, when there is product of 3 decimal numbers, then same procedure. I have told you कि when you are going to multiply, we count the number of digits starting from the rightmost digit and move towards left. We then put the decimal point there. The number of digits to be counted is obtained by adding the number of digits to the right of the decimal point in the decimal numbers that are being multiplied. So, इस इन numbers में decimal number में decimal के बाद कितने number है वहाँ पे 1, 2, 3 total 3 numbers are there. First of all, we will ignore the decimal number and write the decimal number as whole number. 3.2 will be written as 32. And we are going to multiply by 1, 5 here, 15. We will just ignore the decimal point. Okay? Then multiply as you do. 5 2s are 10, 1 carry. 5 3s are 15 and 1, 16. Okay? Then we put 1 0 because we are now multiplying with 10. 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. Now add. We have just multiplied these two numbers. Okay? Decimal numbers. We have got 480. Now this answer will be multiplied by here ignoring this decimal point will be multiplied by 26. Okay? 6 zeros are 0, 6 8s are 48, 4 carry, 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 4 28. Then 2 zeros are we will put 1 0 because now we are going to multiply with 10. 2 zeros are 0. 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8 and 1, 9. Now add 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 0, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 1 carry, 2 plus 9, 11, 11 and 1, 12. So, after decimal here in 3 decimal number, how many digits are there after decimal? 1, 2, 3. From your right, 1, 2, 3, you will put decimal and you get the answer. So, 3.2 multiplied by 1.5 in multiplied by 2.6 answer will be 12.480. Okay? In this way you will find the product of decimal numbers. Now other question in your workbook it is if 1 meter of cloth costs if 1 meter of cloth costs question number language problem if 1 meter cloth costs rupees how much? It is rupees 158.50 means rupees 158 and paise given cost of 1 meter, then you are asked to find the cost of 4.5 meter of floor, then what will you do? You will multiply. Okay? You will multiply. Solution of this question will be the cost of 1 meter floor. If Langridge problem is there, then you will have to write the Langridge part. So cost of 1 meter floor, it is rupees 158 and paise 50. Then the cost of how much? 4.5 meters of floor. What will you do now? You will multiply. You will multiply. Rupees 158.50 multiplied by 4.5. So, what is the procedure? Whenever there is multiplication of decimal number by decimal number, you will just, what will you do? You will ignore point, decimal point, and multiply as whole number. Okay? And multiply as whole number. When you will multiply here, what will you get here? Now you multiply 5 zeros are 0, 5 5 is 25, 2 carry, 5 8 is 40, 42, 4 carry, 5 5 is 25, and 4 29, 2 carry, 5 1 is 5, and 2 7. Okay. Now multiply by 4, 4 zeros are 0, 4 5 are 20, 2 carry, 4 8 is 32, and 2 34. We carry 4 5 is 20, and this 3, 2 carry, 4 1 is 4, 4 1 is 4, and 2 6. Okay. 5 2 3 1 7. Okay. Now after decimal, how many digits are there? 1 2 and this 3. How many? 3. So leaving from your right here 3 digits and 4 decimal, you will get what? Rupees 713 and paise 25. Paise 25. So this will be the cost of how much meter? How many meters? 4.5 meter of floor. Okay. Because after rupees, before decimal we are having rupees, and after decimal we are having paise. So as you know, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So we will write only 25 here. Okay. 0 it hardly matters. Okay. You write or not. Then in this way you will solve the other parts of this worksheet number 18. Okay. And you can do also division of decimal numbers after watching my video based on division of decimal numbers. Okay. Your homework is you will do worksheet number 19 also and complete this 18 worksheet also. Complete worksheet 18 homework 18 and 19. Okay. NCERT. Part 4. Chapter 2. Stay alert, stay healthy, take proper care, mask yourself. Okay? Take care of yourself, of your parents. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.